Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of fasting tracker app. You can go to settings. In this page you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about fasting tracker and you can click here. Then this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store. You will search about fasting tracker. Here if you find updates, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.